Good morning. 5:30 in the morning. And we are in a caravan park in Onslow. Get up so early today. So quiet.
I don't believe you. You're going to go back to bed in a minute, aren't you?
Have we got to see sunrise first, and then maybe go back to bed? I don't know. Everyone's still in bed. Beautiful sunrise. Caravan park.
Pummy.
Ah,
Oh, look, you've got your paparazzi there, the paparazzi dogs. Taking your photograph, darling.
oh no.
That's it. And there's the doggies, the paparazzi. Oh, hang on a minute, the sun's shining, trying to go around the other side. Not the best. Come and yeah, it's a statue made. I just made a joke, made the paparazzi into dogs, and they're set up for when they have the stairway to the moon.
Quite lovely. Quite have like more building here. Oh. Look at them. This area they call Old Town.
This is the old Onslow before.
Old Onslow, yeah. This is the town before the new one, like
Yeah.
100 years ago.
Well, if you look, this was built in 1893.
Oh, yeah.
So 130 years ago it was built.
So, this one, 1893, is about 130
Yeah.
years.
It was still being used in the 1920s. It was still being used 100 years ago.
Wow.
So you go over here and get in the cells where you're meant to be. Go on, lock yourself up.
Why?
Naughty girl, go on, you're in the
this
jail.
is oh my god.
Go on, in the jail.
Thank you.
See, look at the big ring in the centre where they tie people up.
Yeah. I respect. Wow. So they just keep the bad person in here? Oh my god. Oh, my heart's shaking. So, I not touch that. So this one they just hook with the leg.
Yeah, if they're very bad, yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
So you can see.
We're gonna Yeah, these are all new though,
Are
darling.
you think news or?
Yeah, oh look, 1990, 1987.
It's not like.
That's not old from the
They're
prisoners.
not old, yeah. Wow. You see the top, the roof.
Yeah, corrugated tin and concrete on the top of it, all rotted out.
Wow.
A little, I suppose the exercise yard. Here on the top, hopefully I can't see what I'm filming.
Okay,
It's
might
all
be
broken glass.
You want to do that again? Maybe I put this one get up a little bit. Okay, maybe they have to talk again.
Here we are in the, would have been I suppose the exercise yard with that in there. I don't know if you can see. You can see on the top of the walls, broken glass all the way around to stop them climbing out.
Oh, you can't, darling. How? Oh my God! You can see like a shells.
Yeah.
See here,
Yeah.
shells.
They made the bricks out of shells.
You see this one? This room is smaller one. This is small room.
Smaller cell. Yeah, I suppose they're really bad boys.
Wow.
3 cells. Oops. Oh, the end's missing out of this one. Again, same construction. Little door.
Yeah. Oh, this one is the quite to make like a news. You can see the top. Yeah.
Yeah, they've got a new roof on it. Again, I should think more cells. Little doors in them. And that over there,
Wow, and more
that'll
over
be the
there.
police station.
For this building behind me, the police station. A small office.
Yeah, the police station. Don't forget the policemen would have lived here at that stage. Yeah. Different floors. So they've had this on and then
Wow.
floorboards. No glass on this roof.
So police over here is correct?
Yeah. Like most police station. Look, tumbleweed. Nothing here.
Oh wow. You see the wall? Very thick.
Yeah, but you look, all made out of stone.
Yeah, look, very thick.
Looks like somebody's been shooting them.
No way. I think they from the bullet?
I don't know, darling.
Oh no.
It's old. No, I don't think the bullets are too good.
Yeah.
No, this was all surrounded with buildings. See a remnant of something over there, but it's all gone. The only thing that's standing is a police station.
Wow. In place.
Yeah, but they made bricks out of the pebbles from the beach.
Okay. So what you think about this room?
It's someone's bedroom. There's a fire there. Must like
Yeah.
the kitchen. I'd have gone for the kitchen with a big fire in it.
You think a kitchen?
Well, why else would you have a fire?
Oh, maybe, I don't know.
Big fireplace. It's the only one with a fire in it. Yeah? Because you wouldn't have been cooking with electricity and gas back then. You'd need a fire.
Yeah.
That would have been
Oh,
a
yeah,
roof on it.
maybe, yeah.
There's chimneys there.
Toilet here.
Maybe.
Oh, wow.
Possibly, yeah. Clean out there.
Okay.
That's
Alright,
that.
see this one, but I don't know what this is.
Oh, I know.
What's this? Oh my god, it's scaring me!
That's a really naughty.
God, what is it? Just a little bit scaring me. Oh my god, what's that? Oh,
So let me have a look in.
oh I know. What's that? Oh,
So what do you think?
oh gosh.
What do you think?
Oh.
What do you think it's for?
Keep the people in there?
No.
No?
It's a water tank, darling.
Oh, it's yeah! Darling, that's just scaring me. I saw that.
No, it's a
Keep
water
the
tank.
bad people in here.
No, bad people are kept in the cells.
Yeah, you
No,
lie.
The big sign over there, if you read the sign on the way in, let's come over here. The big sign, the biggest, not the little one about the police station. This big sign on the post. Yeah, that most people, if they look round when they come in.
Which one?
Warning, for your safety, do not walk or stand on the water tank.
This one.
And what's right in front of it. So I think that's the water tank, darling.
Okay, yeah. It's a water tank. Okay, I'm not scared anymore. Oh, it just made me sad, you know. Like
Oh, I mean, that looks more like a toilet.
Is in the toilet? Yes. Wow. This is an open toilet.
I don't know.
So close to the water tank.
I don't know.
So what do you think about this town?
Lovely little town.
Yeah, it's quite
Marvellous
lovely.
sunrise through the Anzac Memorial.
Yeah, it's beautiful sunrise. Yeah.
And then the old town, the police station.
Yeah, this is amazing me. And then I see now water tank. I saw the jail.
And a lovely campsite, nice fake grass.
Yeah.
Sit on by your caravan.
Yeah, caravan park. Caravan park is very nice too. Quite lovely, small town. Yeah, I'm glad I come to visit because we never been there before.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a lovely one.
a bit quiet.
Yeah, a bit
Never mind.
quiet.
Let's get on to the next place. Where are we going now?
So for the next place, we're going to Exmouth, and then for a couple of days, and then we're going to
Cape Rain
Cape Rain National Park.